HPS Braum are my sponsors. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install a street arrow decal, but this video will be basically talking about how to install any type of decal. Step number one is to have whatever decal you're trying to have in hand, and basically first you got to do is clean the surface of your whatever you're trying to make a stick on, whether it's a deck lid or it could be on the paint of the car or anywhere. Make sure the surface is clean and prepped before you attempt to install the decal. Step number two is to remove the adhesive, the decal. So basically you just remove the adhesive. As you guys could see, you basically all you have to do is just peel it off very smoothly and slowly. Step number three is to gently peel the decal off, and as you guys could see, I have the decal off. You remove it nice and slow and make sure that you don't take any of the lettering off, and you do it very slowly. If you by chance, any chance you attempt to remove a letter, peel it back on and wait a little bit, put some pressure on that decal and then lift it back up, and it should come off nice and slow, just like how I have it. Step number four is to make sure where you're going to put it on. Obviously, I'm going to put on top of the sponsors that I have is Braum Racing, HPS, and now it's going to be Street Aerial. So basically, all you have to do is to make it line it up smoothly and make sure that it's even and straight, which I'm about to do right now. The next step is to make sure the sticker and the decal is applied firmly, and all you have to do is apply some pressure 4 to 5 seconds each time when you keep moving your fingers, and you just basically just gotta keep doing what I'm doing, making sure that it's sticked on, you know, it doesn't peel off or anything like that. Apply a little bit of pressure, not too much, but just a little bit. If you see any air bubbles, you have to just keep pressing on it, and if you want, you can use a little pinch hole thing if you see a little tiny bubble, but that's not going to be a big issue on a sticker like this. But anyway, just do what I'm doing like for at least like a minute or two, and then you should be good, and then I'll go from there to the final step. The final step is to gently peel this adhesive off that's on the backing, and your sticker should be perfect and smooth just like mine. So basically you just have to lift it like that, and you should get it should peel off smoothly. That's how you do it, and you just go from there. And voila, this is the final results. I have all my sponsors from Braum Racing to HPS that makes the hoses and all that stuff, the hoses to make your car cooler. And most importantly, the best and once and for all, Street Aerial, which makes diffusers, side skirts, shifter knobs, custom steering wheels, pretty much everything for your ride. And that's all for the install for this video. This is how you install any decal on your car.